Today, we will explore the concept of mysticism, one of the greatest ideas in human thought. Friends, I am aware that modern humans are more familiar with mechanisms, and today's science is accessible to everyone. With their own eyes, they can observe how information is gathered, the statistical methods used, and the results obtained. With the naked eye, one can observe the effect of fluorescence, and by touching radioactive materials, it becomes evident that they have intrinsic warmth. We can create devices that reveal ultrasonic sounds to us. And right now, the James Webb Space Telescope is observing the distant past of galaxies. Theoretical science is beautiful, and with each new discovery, it continues to astonish human society. The beauty of galaxies, the awe of exploring the depths of the oceans, the journey into the cells of living beings, and witnessing all the activity within such a small space. These are truly remarkable experiences. Has humanity been able to answer all its questions using just the five senses? I know that many of you would answer no. In reality, the ship of human scientific knowledge is floating in an ocean of unknowns. The vast distances of hundreds or even thousands of light years between us and other galaxies and planets, along with the incredibly small scales of quantum measurements, have made our journey to understanding and knowledge incredibly challenging. At this point, it is essential to express my gratitude to all the scientists, scholars, and thinkers who have dedicated their lives to the advancement of humanity. But let's discuss the difference between theoretical science and mysticism. The root of the word mysticism in Arabic means to know, referring to a form of knowing that is without judgment. In theoretical science, humanity's understanding of its surrounding is largely based on judgment. Consequently, some things are considered beautiful, while others are deemed ugly. Some things are deemed useful, while others are seen as worthless. However, mysticism is a form of understanding without judgment. For this reason, mystics believe that all of existence is beautiful, and that there is no such thing as ugliness. In this type of understanding, the mystic only experiences love for existence. Thus, theoretical knowledge is based on the five senses and is in general a form of knowledge through judgment. But mysticism is knowledge based on insight, which is referred to as the eye of the heart or the sixth sense. The results of theoretical knowledge can easily be transferred to others, but some of the results of mysticism cannot be transferred to others and remain a secret. In theoretical sciences, anyone can enroll in universities, learn scientific methods, start conducting scientific work, formulate hypotheses, experiment, collect data, and finally draw conclusions. But in mysticism, merely being in the presence of a master doesn't make one a mystic. The most important principle in mysticism is the individual's inner desire and yearning. A person must truly want to become a mystic from the deeps of their heart. In religions, a human being is composed of two parts, the body and the soul. Simultaneously with the physical growth of the body, the ego or personality also develops based on environmental and genetic factors. The developed ego acts like a curtain or barrier in front of the soul. The individual forgets the spiritual part of themselves and plays their role in society, taking a responsibility within the social system, and forget that a part of their existence is eternal. Friends, don't misunderstanding. taking a responsibility in society is not a bad thing. One person becomes a doctor, another a financial market trader, another a politician, and someone else a painter capturing the tranquility of trees. Yet another becomes an astronaut, dreaming of smelling flowers on another planet. Mystics do not view engaging in social duties as something negative. In fact, they see it as necessary for the functioning of our world, making cities larger, increasing food supplies, and generally improving comfort for people. However, mystics have an issue with the aspect of the story where a person becomes so absorbed in their work that they may completely forget their soul. Their entire sense of peace becomes dependent on numbers, charts, financial accounts, and so on. They forget love, and their soul becomes buried in the layer of darkness. However, in contrast to this situation, we see mystics who, in the presence of the morning breeze and in complete tranquility, are sitting in meditation with their souls. For them, every moment is beautiful. They are not worried about tomorrow's stress and yesterday's sorrow. They enjoy the present moment and are immersed in the endless world within themselves. Mystics, by transcending the ego, which is shaped by environmental and genetic factors, connect with their inner selves and become acquainted with their true nature. This genuine self awareness leads to the recognition of God.